Hey, Ross here from LFS Marine Outdoor. It's May, and that means it's another exciting month of Captain's Compass, our in-store and online promotional campaign where we handpick products revolving around a theme and we put them on sale for the entire month. Now, when you come in the store, look for the Captain's Compass flyer, which will show you all the hot buy items on sale for this month. And to make it even easier, we have set up an end cap with all the hot buys to make it a true stop-and-go shopping experience. This month's theme is boating safety. The hot buys for this month are the Onyx automatic manual personal flotation devices, Sirius SOS electronic beacons with flag, fire extinguishers by Kidde, Rural next-gen automatic bilge pumps, Orion first aid kits, and the ever-popular Catchmac 230 inflatable boat. Our key product feature for this month is the Onyx automatic manual personal flotation device. U.S. Coast Guard approved, the Onyx PFD provides automatic inflation upon being immersed in water. In addition, it can also be inflated via the wearer manually pulling the jerk to inflate handle. Now, if automatic feature is not your style, this PFD can be easily converted over to a manual only operation. Comfortable, this PFD provides safety and peace of mind without even knowing you have it on. For persons 16 years of age and older and those over 80 pounds. Comes in blue, green, and pink. Don't forget, when you grab May's Captain's Compass flyer, the Catchmac 230 inflatable boat is on sale. Compact and lightweight, this 7-foot 6-inch boat is a great ship-to-shore tendercraft or a highly portable pleasure boat for the boater on the go. Hope to see you in store this season. Also, you can check out Captain's Compass on our website at gotomarine.com/captainscompass. Thanks for watching.